Hi, I'm Justin Ball, the owner of the HammerHead store and HammerHead Showers. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install this 2-inch shower head, all metal, built to last, packs a punch with high pressure. Let's get it installed in just a few minutes and I'll show you how it works. So before we get started, just gonna go over what you need for installation. So obviously we have our shower head here, which is outfitted with a rubber washer. Just make sure it's seated inside the threads before installation. Then you have the thread tape included, so we'll use that. An adjustable wrench to get the old shower head off and make sure this new one is tightened down properly. And then a cloth just to clean up the shower arm pipe before we install anything to get a nice tight seal. So we'll take the old shower head off first. Threads are nice and clean, but I have a microfiber cloth just to clean them up a little bit more. If there's any old thread tape, you're gonna wanna remove that so we can reapply the new one, which I have right here, included with your shower head. So we'll start bottom of the threads. Just keep it down there, actually. And we'll do 3 to 5 turns of this. Can't hurt to add some more. Just make sure you're going clockwise, so when you install the shower head, it doesn't unravel. Smooth it out with your hands, and then we'll take the shower head. Again, make sure the washer's in there, and we'll start by hand tightening. Mostly tighten this down by hand, and then we'll use a wrench. And there you have it. So we'll run some water through this and test for leaks. So just want to make sure there's no leaks coming from here. Not seeing any leaks at all. Nice tight seal with the thread tape plus the washer. Tightened down nicely, no leaks. But if there were leaks, couple of things to check for. Make sure that the washer's in there, that it's not damaged. If it is leaking, you're gonna wanna shut off the water, take off the shower head, make sure the washer's in there, make sure the washer's not damaged. If it is, you'll need to replace it, and definitely ensure you have enough thread tape. Only other thing is it could be the shower arm pipe if it's really old. The threads may be bad and not getting a tight seal. Not the issue in this case.